Alright, what's good everybody? It's your boy Fern Jr. Vlogs back with another video. I'm picking up my 5th gen. The reason I haven't been driving it, I took out my taillights to go get them painted, so they're in the process of that. But now I got to take the truck to the shop so I can get the front end, start to get it color matched. I want this truck done by the time my wheels come in. So yeah guys, I'm just gonna take out my 5th gen, put my single cab in, head to the shop. I'm gonna take apart this whole front end. Gonna take these chrome pieces off on the top, on the bottom, take the headlights off. First step is taking off all these little clips, like 16 10mm bolts on top.
Trim clip there and a trim clip here.
Yeah. All comes off as one piece. You're gonna need an extension. So in order to get those two 10mm underneath, you're gonna need a pretty long extension. And this should do the trick. I'm not gonna color match anything on the grill. I'm gonna leave chrome inside of it, and the ram, I'm gonna leave that chrome. All right, so it just pulls right out. There's about 7, 1 on each side, and then 5 underneath in the center. Next is the headlights. In order to take the grill off, there's 3 different bolts, all 10 mils. But yeah guys, all that's left is the headlights, the hood emblems, and then the mirrors. And I got some pretty bad scratches right here. I'm not really sure from what, but the dealership said they'll take care of them, so I just need to go take it probably around next week. But all these scratches will come off. And then I do plan on ceramic coat and all that. You know, really want to take care of this black paint.
Good foot.
Let me put the camera down real quick.
Hold on. There's a clip holding it in.
It's literally right underneath it. It's right there. That's the last clip you need to take out. Headlights off. Precision retrofits. Make sure to check them out, guys. Built some headlights for new 2020. Tail lights as well. They do really good work, and they're about to do my 5th gen headlights. Tomorrow I'm gonna ship them off. Ripped out the hood emblems, and for those you just gonna kind of have to hand pry them and just be careful not to break any tabs. All right y'all, it's the next day, and we took off my mirrors. But I'm basically gonna get all of this ready for color matching, the front end and the mirrors. Right now I'm gonna get the headlights and I'm gonna wrap them up and put them in a box so I can ship them off so they can build them for me and paint them. Check the drip. We also got these new zip-up jackets in, like the ones you see me wearing before. This is how the back looks. So hit me up guys if you want one. I'll probably put them on the website. These are my mom's new wheels for her C10. We got 22s with the big lid, some intros, concaves. Right now I'm out here at our warehouse about to take some pictures of Priceless Texas Hold'em show. They told us to take some pictures, some high def pictures, and send it to them. Also got my single cab behind me, make sure to check it out. 10-inch lift in the front on some 22x16s, HD front end, 5.3, LED door handles, you know what I'm saying, all the good shit. I can't wait to show you how this build's gonna turn out, guys. I'm gonna kill it, I know I am. Also, here's me in green, a 4th gen mega cab dually on airbags, 28x16s with the 5th gen front end, 1500 front end right there. But yeah, guys, I gotta take some pictures of Priceless real quick. This is my mom's truck, our SEMA build from last year. And you know what I'm saying? All I gotta say is check it out, guys. Look how good my single cab looks from here. This truck is on hydraulics. Let me air them up. Whoops, I'm gonna go all the way up in the front and a little bit in the rear, not too much. Just so it looks real clean. But yeah, guys, check it out. Sitting on some 30 by 16. I want to take Priceless out. I want to do a gold digger prank. If this video gets to 1,000 likes, I'll do a gold digger prank with Priceless. And make sure to drop a subscribe. We're on that 20K grind. So I'll put my camera down so y'all can see how it looks on the hydraulics going up and down. So that's it for now. Thank y'all for watching. I hope y'all are excited for the new build as much as I am. I already know I'm gonna kill it. All right, so what's good, y'all? It's the next week. I didn't get a chance to ship out my headlights, so I'm doing that today. It's Monday. I'm trying to work fast here. Didn't get a chance to ship out my headlights on last Friday, so it's Monday right now, so I'm barely about to ship them out. I already got them boxed up. Let me show y'all. They're in the back of my truck. So yeah, it's a pretty big box. I'm supposed to be running to the UPS office right now to go drop it off, but I came to put on my taillights. I just got them painted. I'm gonna show you real quick. I just need to pull out my truck first, and I'll show you how they look, guys. They came out really sick. But yeah, guys, let me pull out my truck real quick, and I'll put it right here so y'all can see it, and then I'll show you my taillights, and I'll put them on for y'all. All right, so these are how my taillights look. So yeah, guys, they came out really good. I'm about to throw them on for y'all. It's a beautiful color. The color is the same as my truck. That color matching is literally perfect. Let me know what y'all think in the comment section down below. I'm about to go run to the post office and drop off my headlights, and then that's gonna be the end of this vlog. Thank y'all for watching. This has been your boy Fern Jr. Vlogs, and I'm out of here.
Yeah, nigga try drill like a boy. Yeah, on God they get no award. Yeah, live in the bank gon' do fraud. Yeah, 200 racks on my arm.